Man, I just love the PixelFLEX team. They've been incredible since the very beginning. When we dialed their number, they helped install and come here to bring life, a new energy through the installation of our brand new fantastic LED walls. I am Ben Harris, Director of Media for Oak Cliff Bible Fellowship Church. We have a wonderful opportunity to disciple the church to impact the world. Our goal is to take the message across the world. So we get to do it here in Dallas, Texas. Our goal is to remove all distractions to make sure we have an amazing service with people that are sitting in the audience or watching online can be touched by the gospel. You know, we had quality challenges. Being in our environment, being fast-paced, quality is very, very important. So a lot of the visuals that we have were outdated and wasn't to par for what we need to do to be on the next level. So some of the great individuals I reached out to with PixelFLEX, they were rock solid to help us get our quality up. Introducing new technology, we wouldn't be by ourselves, because a lot of times with mega ministries, that's a challenge, is you sometimes feel like you're left by yourself. And so with PixelFLEX being a part of that, they helped us get through the process, and so we're tremendously grateful for that. That created an opportunity to have incredible graphics displayed every Sunday. We're able to do things like lyric videos, even watch a movie, and to really display our visuals to a higher level. So we're grateful for the opportunity to be able to have partnered with PixelFLEX to help us take ministry to the next level. I mean, people would tell us every Sunday how blessed and how amazing the service was just by the visuals. And so it allowed people to stay in tune, connected, not get bored with the sermon or get bored with praise and worship. They're actually involved just through the visuals.